Assalamualaikum. My name is KHAIRUNNISA binti HUSNI and my matric number is B0920101128. For this project, our title is Echo with Power. Firstly, let me introduce my group members. First, Ahmad Shahir bin Ahmad Shapawi. Matric number is B0920101069. Second, Asyraf bin Khalid, B0920100426, and me, KHAIRUNNISA binti HUSNI. And lastly, one RIDHWAN HAKIM bin one ISMAIL, B09201035. And we are from group BMMV S1/1. For this project, our company is namely as SANWAVE Sdn Bhd. Mission of our project is to create an environmentally eco with power. And our vision for this project is to provide reverse engineering design for produce with energy. This is our Gantt chart for this project. We take 7 weeks to complete this project, and the long period take is on drawing for every part of project device, which is almost 1 week, which are from 23 May until 29 May.
Okay, this is objective assignment. Okay, objective first, design a solution based on reverse engineering as expertise that will solve web engineering technology challenge while adhering to appropriate standard. Okay, the second objective, with a knowledge of the limits, use current engineering technology and IT technologies to facilitate solution to broadly technology challenge. Okay, so the third objective is in terms of safety, environment, and sustainability. Assess the influence of the design product, component, or processes. Okay, so the scope of project focus to reverse engineering of technology, mechanical equipment of product. For our project, we have reverse engineering and eco wave power. By reverse engineering, this product will help how the product work and the function of every component in it. Other than that, also help to find any fault in the product. Okay, we have many problem statement in the product. So first, the process of dismantling item, equipments or tools to obtain design knowledge. Okay, next, the problem reverse engineering frequently entails dismantling individual components of bigger item. Next, the reverse engineering method get its name from the fact that it entails going backward through the design process. So the net problem statements as a result, the task is to disassemble the product piece by or layer by layer to get a working knowledge of the original concept. Okay, so the last problem statement, our group must reverse engineering and echo wave power to analyze the primary function of the tool. Find the use of each part in completing that function and ways to improve the products. Yeah, this is explanation of device drawn. Okay, personal echo wave power is the floaters transform the rising and falling action of the wave into a clean energy generating process, allowing them to receive energy from incoming wave. The floaters movement compress and decompress hydraulic piston, which transport biodegradable hydraulic fluid into accumulators on land. Okay, next, pressure is being built in accumulators. So this pressure turns a hydraulic motor, which turns a generator, and the power is subsequently sent to the grid via an inverter. Okay, after decompression, the fluid returns to the hydraulic fluid tank and is reused by the piston, resulting in a closed circular system. Okay, wave height of 0.5 meter triggered the system's production of power. A smart automation system control and monitors that whole system functioning. When the wave get too high for the system to manage, the floater ascend above the water level and remain there until the storm passes. So the floater resume normal operation once the storm has passed. It is important that this is not a device designed to generate more clean energy.
These are our sketching for every part of device. We have floater, hydraulic piston, accumulator, hydraulic motor, generator, and lastly is hydraulic fluid tank.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SYAHIR bin SHAPAWI with battery number B0920100069. Now I'll continue with solid work parts. Okay, the first one, which is the box one, is the hydraulic tank. Okay, the second one is actually a generator that has been assembled with the hydraulic motor. Okay, for the third one is accumulator. The fourth one is the hydraulic piston, and the last one is the floater. Okay, the sixth picture is shown that all the actually six part of component that has been assembled. Now I'll continue with flowchart of this project. Okay, before we start, we have some research or literature review about this project, about this design. Okay, then we specify the design requirement and design specification and calculation. After that, we start drawing and sketching for the design. Then by using the SolidWorks, we build the components and assembly. After each part of the component in the SolidWorks completed, we start doing the analysis. Then we check whether the result meet the requirement or not. If yes, our job end here. And if no, we repeat at the design specification and calculation, drawings, and the SolidWorks part. Okay, now I will continue with material selection and bill of material. Okay, there is 7 components that included in the bill. For the first one is hydraulic fluid tank, which is made from the steel, and 1 unit with the cost 1,920. Second one is hydraulic motor, with the material stainless steel with 1 unit. The cost is 750 ringgit. Okay, the third one is generator with the material of copper with 1 unit, and the cost is 2,180 ringgit. Okay, the fourth one is piston. The material is from cast iron, quantity 2 unit, and for the cost is 1,860 ringgit. So that means the cost of per unit is 930 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, next one is floater, with the material of steel. The quantity is 1 unit, and the cost is 1,050 ringgit, 1,500 ringgit. Okay, next the accumulator with the material steel and 1 unit quantity. The cost is 5,000 ringgit Malaysia. And for the last one, hydraulic hose, which come with set. The material is rubber. The quantity is 1 set, and for the cost is 2,900 ringgit. So the total cost here is 16,110 ringgit. Okay, that is for fixed cost. And for the variable cost, which is for the component that have maintenance like piston and generator. So we approximately only 500 ringgit for these 2 parts. So the total cost of all this item is 16,610 ringgit.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asyraf bin Khalid and my matrix number is B0920104226. So, I will explain about our analysis that have we done for our model. The analysis that have we done is only on the floater. The reason we choose the floater for the analysis is because floater is our main component and it's the one that will receive external load. Besides that, the external load that received by the floater are huge. So, the analysis done will show how durable is the material and the design. The external force that applied is on the bottom surface of the floater. So, here is the result of the analysis. As we can see, the maximum value of stress recorded is 7.545 times 10 to the power of 7 Newton per meter square, and it placed in front of the piston holder. The yield strength for this component is 2.482 times 10 to the power of 8 Newton per meter square. Next, for the strain analysis, the maximum strain of the floater that have been recorded is 2.340 times 10 to the power of negative 4. This maximum value is placed in front of the piston holder. Next, for the displacement analysis, the maximum value of displacement recorded is 8.562 times 10 to the power of negative 1 millimeter, which placed at the tip of the floater. Now, I will show what improvement have we done during the analysis. The improvement that have we done is we add 2 more fixtures on the floater that is at the floater wall holder. The type of fixture we place there is bearing support type fixture. Next, we also change our external force value to a suitable value. Since the external force in real life is a wave force, the value can be inconsistent. Sometimes it can be strong and sometimes it can be moderate. But sure, a wave force is big. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so this is ideas to improve the device. Okay, so first the material choice for each aspect of the product. So next the material utilized to make the product should be extensively investigated since the combination of materials will either weaken or strengthen the construction. Next ideas is the parts are exposed to the danger of breaking whenever a consumer dismantle the device for maintenance purpose. Okay, so next idea is this is due to the possibility that the buyer would disassemble the good with excessive force or without consulting the instruction book. So the last idea is the maker should consider utilizing screw and other method to secure the piece together.
In conclusion, students have capability to complete project as individual, as member, and as leader. This project provides students many advantages and should be maintained as it benefits many students and chances for students to recognize the SolidWorks drawing even more detailed. Then, this project can deliver students with self-confidence in pursuing challenges. Students have the work knowledge that can be utilized in their potential jobs. For this SolidWorks project, it includes product development in reverse engineering of a mechanical device, and it also exposed to produce a design solution by using reverse engineering knowledge that will resolve generally defined engineering technology problems in agreement with relevant requirements. Furthermore, we also accomplished to develop modern engineering technology and IT tools in enabling resolution to mostly defined engineering technology problems with an understanding of the restriction. Additionally, we also had to compute impact of the design product, component, or processes in terms of safety, environmental, and sustainability factors. Last but not least, with utilizing SOLIDWORKS program, we can know the bill of material and can get the cost calculation to make this eco wave powers project successfully. That's all from me. Thank you.